Hello students, welcome to the Fun Known. Today we are going to study an interesting topic which is known as angles. So let us have some introduction to the angles. The word angle came from the Latin word angulus. In mathematics we have already studied that mathematics is of two types, algebra and geometry. Angles are used throughout the geometry to describe shapes such as polygons and polyhedrons and to explain the behavior of line. So it is good idea to become familiar with some of the terminologies and how we measure and describe angles. Angles are usually measured in degree. It is similar student as we have to measure length we use meters, as we have to measure mass we use kilograms. Similar way we have to measure angle we use degrees. There is a tool which is used for measuring angles which is also known as protractor. Degrees are like example 30 degree, 40 degree, 45, 60, 90. Students remember one thing. Whenever you will say 30 degree, this small symbol which is 30 and a small circle, this is a symbol of degree. So whenever you are going to say 30 degree, you are expected to write this symbol because this symbol shows that yeah, it is 30 degree or 40 degree. Basically, angles is a geometric figure formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint. Remember students, when there are two rays and they are joining each other with a common endpoint, the figure which is formed which is known as angle. So before moving into more details, we should first know some terminologies that is used in angles. Yeah. Some terminologies for angles are: first term itself is an angle. An angle is formed when two rays are joined together with a common point. We have studied just now, students, when there are two rays and when they have a common point, then it is known as angle. As we can see in the figure, you can just consider there is a two rays. AB is one ray and BC is another ray. When these two rays AB and BC are meeting at one point, the angle which is formed over here, this is known as angle. So here they have given alpha as the angle. Node of vertex. The common point here is called node of vertex. Remember student, there are two rays AB and BC, but B is a common point in both the rays. That's why B will be known as a node or vertex in this figure. Arms of an angle. Two rays are called arms of an angle. Here there are two rays AB and BC. So AB and BC together are known as arms of an angle. Students, one more thing. Remember, the angle is represented by this symbol. If you are able to see, this is a symbol. Angle is represented by this symbol. Angles are commonly drawn as the arc or the part of the circle as shown in the figure. As you can see the figure, if this is the whole circle, angle is just a part of the circle. That's why it is not the whole circle. They can be a part of a circle, so they are known as arc. There are some properties of angles, students. We'll understand some properties of angles now. Angles are measured in degrees. Students, we have already seen that angles are measured in degree. So obviously when we are measuring angles in degrees, angle can be different type. We have seen in examples earlier also, angle was of 90 degree, 40 degree, 45, 60, n number of degrees angle can be. Okay, students, let's learn about some properties of angles. Angles are measured in degree, which is a measure of circulatory or rotation. When we say it is a full rotation, that means its starting position and ending position will be the same. That means it is starting at this place, it is taking the full rotation, and it is coming at the same place as earlier in the same direction. If it is completing the whole rotation, then it will be known as 360 degree of rotation. When we are saying it is starting over here and ending over here, it is not completing the whole circle. That means it is half circle. Therefore, the half circle will be known as 180 degrees, and the quarter circle, which is also known as right angle, will be known as 90 degrees. That is, it is starting over here and ending over here. Remember, student, whole circle, if it is rotating whole and it is starting at one position and ending at the same position after rotating, it will be known as 360 degree. If it is half the circle, if it is starting from here and it is ending over here, then this rotation will be known as half rotation, which will be also known as 180 degrees of rotation. And if it is starting over here and just ending over here, so this will be known as quarter circle, or it is also known as right angle, which is 90 degrees. In figure 1, the circle has split into three sectors. The green sector, which we can see, is 90 degree. The white sector, which we can see, is also 90 degree. But when we are adding two 90 degrees, that is green sector and white sector, we can see the blue part, which is 180 degree. Here, students, you have to remember, when two or more angles on the straight line are added up to 180. Just see the figure. If two or more angles are added and they are forming a straight line, that means this angle which they are forming is 180 degrees. Thank you so much, students. Thanks for watching Fun Known. We'll be seeing you in the next lecture. Thank you.